Hi, Reggae Elliss in Hakuba with the Mountainwatch Snow Report. Well, this is the first report from Hakuba for the season, and we've got a long way to go. We all know it has been a slow start here in Japan, but here in Hakuba they have had lifts open for about 2 weeks, admittedly on limited on-piste skiing on a base of around about 30 to 40 centimetres at the moment. Good news is, after a week of mixed weather that included rain on Tuesday and Wednesday, which really damaged the snowpack, we saw snow come in last night, dropping around 15 centimetres on the upper mountain and 5 centimetres in the valley. Now the forecast is for a couple of days of sunshine and then another front coming through on Thursday night, and this should bring heavy snowfalls at first on the upper mountain, and those snowfalls lowering to the base on Friday morning, and at this stage it looks like there could be 30-40 centimetres at least in that, particularly on the upper slopes. Now here in Hakuba, I'm at Hakuba, up the top there, a bit of wind coming through off the Alps. You've got 5 lifts open here on the upper mountain, but you do have to download. Over at Hakuba 47, 4 lifts open there. Again, although the good news is you can ski to the bottom. We're at Goyu, talking about 4 lifts, and again, pretty limited, but good for beginners to intermediates. Now, if you are heading over to Japan, the Grasshopper's second forecast for the season is pointing to a good back half with above average snowfalls. So don't forget, check his weekly forecast, I should say, every Thursday on mountainwatch.com, and we'll have daily snow reports from Stephen Lee starting tomorrow here in Hakuba. This has been Reggae Elliss with thanks to Rip Curl on Mountain Watch.